Are you tired of inconsistent branding? Canva has your back. Creating custom brand templates will not only save you time but also give your project a professional edge. In this video, I'll show you how to design cohesive templates for everything, from social media posts to presentation in just a few clicks. You learn how to use Canva's brand kit, set up your fonts, colors, and logos, and give your designs uniquely yours. Want more Canva tutorials and free resources? Like and subscribe, and let's build your standard brand today with ease and creativity. Let's get started. So what we can do is we can utilize in here this brand kit of Canva. So this one is only available for the pro or for the education part. So just head over right here to the brand and we have in here this brand. It's introducing our brand right here. So from in there, we have in here our brand kit. So we have in here this. So what you can do is you can actually add in here a brand kit for your own. Click onto this add new option and let's name in here your brand kit. So for example, let's name this as Tiara C and then click onto this create option. Now once you have done that, as you can see, it's now been added. So what we can do is we can just first add our logo. Click onto this, add a logo, and it will open your window. So what we can do is we can head right here to our downloads and then just locate the logo. Here's my logo right here. Let me just click on this open option. Then as you can see, our logo is now being uploaded. So once your logo has been uploaded, it will be added as your asset. Now, from in there, you can scroll down and here we have in here the colors. So the colors of our logo are mostly black and white, but you can also add more if you would want. So for example, you can keep that or remove that. So for me, I'll remove that and I'll add my own color palette. So you can also rename your color palette right here and then just click on this add new color. First, I'll add black. Next, I'll add white. And I want to add pink, so I'll add that. And then I'll also add in here something that will complement pink, like something like blue right here. And I will also add a little bit like brown. So I'll add in here dark, something like that. Although like right now this looks like an ice cream, but it's looking really good. You can also check if your colors are complementing each other by using a tool online. Head over right here to this plus icon and for example, search in here for color complement or color combination analyzer. And then you can choose in here this first link or to this first link right here. So you can utilize the Webflow and have in here some suggestions for your color combinations. So you can utilize the color wheel for that. So for example, I use in here this pink. So I can use green in order to complement that. Now, if you use blue, you can use yellow or orange. So you need to familiarize yourself with that. Blue and pastel pink works together. We already have that right here. And dark charcoal and bright yellow also works. Light red and yellow also works. And also these things right here. So let me change up this blue because it's not proportional to what I have in mind. Let's choose something like this. Now for this one, we have in here our fonts. So let's choose in here the font for our title. Click on choose font and just choose in here a font. Do also the same thing onto your own subtitle. Now just choose another heading and then choose in here the heading part that you would want. I'll use Alice. Now let's choose in here as well the subheading. I'll choose the seasons. Now we have in here section header as well as body code and the likes. I'll choose in here code and I'll add in here this sort of handwriting which is code noontime. I'll choose in here body as well and I'll choose for the body something like agrandir and then you can also choose in here caption if you would want. Now just choose which one you want and now we have this. So I will not add any more something onto our section header. I'll just utilize all of these things right here. Now, if you want, you can also add or upload the font. Just click on this manage uploaded font. Click on choose files and then just find a TTF like for this one or WOFF2. Now you can click onto this one and click on this open in order to upload that. So you can see if it's actually supported by using these parts right here. Now for this one, let's head back and we have in here our brand voice. So your brand voice guidelines to help you stay on brand when using Magic Write. So let's look onto this brand voice right here and let's put in here guidelines on how to write. So since we will be utilizing an e-commerce store, let's use that and let's put it right here, e-commerce store for dresses that fit all size. So this will be my actual brand voice and this is also aligned to my objective and vision. Then I'll save that. And now in here for photos, you can just add in here some aspects or some assets. Just click onto this photos option right here and then just choose in here the photos that you would want to use. I'll head over and then use this tree right here and click on open. And you should be able to see if you can upload that. Now onto your graphics, you can also add your own graphic if you have those. So just click on this add new option and you can add guidelines or you can upload graphics or you can also link a folder. For this one, I'll just add guidelines. So for example, let's utilize right here pink graphics. So only pink graphics should be added. Let's save that. And you can also add in here some icons. So you click on this add new and you can upload your icons, link a folder, or add in here some guidelines. Now that we have done that, you can utilize this right here. So for example, let's look onto this create design and then from in there, let's create in here a social media post. So let's choose in here the Instagram post. And once we have done that, this will create in here an Instagram post for us. So in order to create a post using your own website or using your own brand kit, we can head over right here to the brand settings onto our page. And then we can head over and then see in here the brand templates that we have. So you can click on the setup in here and you should be able to see your brand templates right here. We first need to set those up. So for this one, click onto this create brand templates. And then let's choose in here the Instagram post. And then once we have done that, it will create in here this design again. Now just add those things that you need added for this. Now once you're head over again to your brand, click on this brand kit and then make sure to choose the TRC that we have added right here. And once we have done that, we should be able to see in here the logos and the likes. But before that, we need to set up the brand templates. For that, just head over to the designs and search in here for pink. Or you can also create your own design if you would want to. For me, I'll just choose in here some existing templates. So I'll head over and then choose in here this one. And as you can see, we have in here this. So let's close this and then let's click on everything right here onto our actual link. Now from in there, head over to your brand, scroll down, and then click on shuffle right here in order to apply it right here. You can also shuffle in here again in order to see what colors we can choose from according to our brand. So you can choose in here something like this or something like this. Now, as you can see, the fonts will also be updated according to what we have. So for example, let's click on it. As you can see, they use Stream Avenue for this one. And then you can also generate in this brand voice what we want to have. Let's click on generate and it will give you something such as description of what we can add in here onto our social media posts. You can click on this publish as a brand template and then let's add it into a folder. It can be on your projects and click on add and click on this publish option right here in order to publish it on your brand. Now once you have done that, it should be classified as your brand and this fonts right here as well as the color will be recognized as your own. So if you want to save time and create something stunning such as this, I've attached a free Canva template on the description below just for you, ready to customize and make your own. Whether you're building portfolios, planners, or creating unique designs for your own brand, This template is your secret weapon to stand out. If you love getting freebies and learning the best Canva tips and tricks, you can head over and then click on the dislike button and subscribe button below in order to learn more about Canva. You can also watch our other videos that can help you create a planner, create a website, and you can also just visit our Canva playlist in order to know more about Canva. So see you again soon.